What's up, guys? I'm at Connect Auto Works. I have a mass flow issue. It's funny because that's the only thing that's from my that's the only thing in my car that's American. Yeah, it's mostly Subarus. Ooh, this Z looks good. Oh, this drag. Ah, the inside looks beautiful. And stop. Ah, it didn't stop. Nice. Wash your hand. So what are we doing today, boy?
So we're going to make cookies in the waste car.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Disgusting.
It's the what?
Disgusting.
Disgusting? Come on, pick it up. It's squishy.
So squishy.
It's so squishy. It's like slime. Oh, your brother wants to help too. Zachary, you want to help too?
Ooh, disgusting.
You need some more space between them, boy. Here. Oh my God, no! Okay, Zachary, I need you. Visit.
Hi, Daddy. I put it in here.
No, too close, bad boy. What's wrong with you?
Oh no. 2:30. 2:30 at the oven. Oh, oven.
You know you're in an Asian house when you have all that crap in there.
Go and put the cookie in the waste car now.
All right, go. Don't drop it. You think it's gonna cook?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I don't think it's that hot today. But it might cook. We'll see. Alright. We'll come back in 30 minutes? 15 minutes? How long?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Smells like cookies in here.
You ready to get your cookies out? Alright, go. She moved it! She moved his cookies! He was supposed to open it. Ah, whatever. It really did cook, guys. It looks amazing. You have to take one out. I'm gonna eat one. Listen, can you take one cookie out?
Okay.
Oh, no, it's fine. Oh, it smells? Oh my, it's gonna smell like, the cookie's gonna smell like your air freshener.
Oh, really?
Maybe.
Air freshener is like really...
You eat it. It's good. Actually, here, give me a real opinion. not a little kid's opinion. This is the perfectly soft.
What's with the camera?
No, no,
It's fine.
she said fine. I want it, mine's. Alright, do we need to cook it up anymore?
No.
Does the car smell like cookies?
No, it doesn't only smell like hot.
It only smells like hot.
You want more?
Oh, look, it's all nice and hard now. What? Give me my cookie!
Oh.
Say please. Say thank you. No, say thank you. That's please. Say thank you. And you've broken. Share. Yeah.
Thank you. You want back? Thank you so.
Daddy.
So this one on the right is made in the car. The other one is made in the oven. So which one's better? The one in the car or the oven? That one? Are you sure?
Both of them.
Hey guys, so letting you know, it does work. It took about 4 or 5 hours. It's only about 100, that's not 100, about 90 degrees when I did it. And I would recommend getting the pre-mixed one, not the one where you have to add egg to it. Because I think leaving egg out for 4 hours is kind of a bad idea. But it's whatever, you can do what you want. Enjoy, see you tomorrow, or next week, or whenever I make a video.